I've been exploring the B12 website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what B12 website builder actually offers. B12 is an AI-powered platform designed to help professionals and small businesses create high-quality websites in record time. The process is straightforward. You answer a few quick questions about your business, and within 60 seconds, B12's AI drafts a fully functional website tailored to your industry, complete with suggested copy, layouts, and images. What makes it stand out is the combination of automation with human expertise. The platform allows you to collaborate with B12's in-house team of designers, copywriters, and SEO specialists to perfect your website, ensuring it looks professional and performs well online. Now let's talk about what works really well. B12's biggest strength is speed with quality. The AI-generated drafts are surprisingly good, and the layout options feel clean and business-ready. It's also equipped with built-in tools like online scheduling, invoicing, email marketing, and SEO optimization, ideal for service-based firms. The websites are mobile responsive by default, and the user interface is intuitive, even for non-tech users. Plus, the ongoing expert support adds a premium touch that most AI builders don't offer. On the downside, B12 isn't cheap. The pricing is steeper than mainstream builders like Wix or Squarespace, and it's mainly designed for service providers rather than e-commerce users. Some users might also find the number of features overwhelming at first. Overall, B12 Website Builder is best suited for professionals who value time, polish, and support over do-it-yourself flexibility. It's a smart balance between AI efficiency and human expertise, making it one of the few builders that genuinely feels like a hybrid between automation and agency-level service. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.